Rivers in Chile flooded key areas of the center of the country. At least 2 people are dead and several more. The flood caused extensive damage to bridges, roads, houses with numerous orchards and vineyards underwater. The Chilean government declared a state of emergency in connection with the visit of the President of Chile, Gabriel Boric. According to the president, the capital city of Santiago, as well as the key port of Valparaiso, were affected by the flood. More than 100,000 people had to be evacuated to safer places. Roads with the main highway were blocked, the fifth route was interrupted.